Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about another important and very important basic topic in HTML, that is paragraph element. It's very simple but very useful also. We use it all the time when we are building web pages. So let's get started. Okay, so now we will discuss that what are paragraph elements and how in HTML we will use paragraph elements. So basically in HTML we use the tag p for the paragraph elements, and in opening tags we use these types of opening and closing tags. As you guys have remembered that in the heading elements we used h1 as for the opening tag, and for the closing tags we used slash h1 for the closing tags. So basically these are for the heading elements, and these are for the paragraph elements. So now we will discuss its example, a basic syntax that for example this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Now I will apply p and closing, like opening and the closing. So now here is a text and it's appear as a block with space above and below it. Now we will use that how to use paragraphs in web pages. So basically paragraphs make your content easy to understand and easy to read. Imagine that you are reading a website with no space or no line breaks. So it would be very confusing for you to read it. So we use these types of paragraphs tags p and closing tags p slash. So we use these types of tags to break the content into parts. Just like we'll give a quick example again, that p slash html. html is the structure. HTML is the structure for web page, for a web. So now closing, and another that CSS is used for styling web page. Yes, or styling the web. So here are the two blocks that are easy to understand, and they are in its own block and they are easy to understand. Now we will give another quick example by using Visual Studio Code. Yesterday I discussed that I will give all the files in the description box, but there was an error that I cannot copy paste files in the description box. So I will just simply do that I will give my WhatsApp channel link in the description box, and you guys will copy and paste all the files from there and paste it at here. Simply paste it here. So I have just simply pasted. Now there are three files. One is the goal file, one is the index, and one is the solution. So here the goal, so our goal is that like we have to make from here to here, like our main target is this, that it can be written as this, and our index is this. We have to apply the p tag both three on the paragraphs, like first paragraph, second, and the third paragraph. I will give the opening and closing tag, like for the first paragraph p. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. I will just simply cut it here and just simply paste it here. Now this is the closing tag and this is the opening tag. At the second paragraph, I will just simply again P P and cut it from here and paste it at here. Paste it at here. Now at the second have been done. Now at the third paragraph, which is the nasal pulse in the mollis. It's the third paragraph. Now I will apply tag on it at P like this, and this. Cut it from here, cut it and paste it. So paste. So these are the opening and closing tags for it, and you can just simply apply the shortcut keys. For paste there are control and V, and for copy or for cut there is control X. So you can copy paste this by these some main keys like this: cut, control plus X. Like you have to first press control and then X to cut it from here, and to copy you have to first press control and then C, and for paste you have to first click on the control button and then on the V to paste it on there. So these were the three main shortcut keys, and I hope you have understood today's lecture. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment below what should I cover next in HTML. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.